Four-man rush for Detroit. Prescott, a bit of a wobbler, but on target for a first down to Dez Bryant across the 45 to the 47-yard line.
And you're going to have good passing fundamentals if you get protection like this. Drops back to pass. He has all day to survey the field and get backside to Dez Bryant.
From the Detroit 40, after the fake, Prescott juggled the ball a bit. Jason Witten rumbling down the far sideline and out of bounds inside the 20. Marked out at the 17-yard line. Johnson Fatamosi chased him out, a pickup of 23.
You get the running game going, you fake the toss to Ezekiel Elliott, and everybody takes the cheese, and Kerry Hyder has no chance on the backside. And you see 57, Josh Bynes. You get so excited to stop Ezekiel Elliott.
Prescott with time to the end zone, and it is caught for a Dallas touchdown by Bryce Butler.
They get in a no-back set, Sean. They give Dak Prescott a lot of freedom. He recognizes an obvious two-deep zone defense. He gets the Cowboys in the proper play. The Cowboy pass protection is stellar. And they shred him. Butler right down the seam. But it's Prescott.